Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, I recommend it to check if you have the latest software version. Open REALME Link application. Of course, your earbuds should be connected with the app, and then you need to tap at your earbuds. Now go to the three dots at the right top, and at the first line we have firmware version. Tap at this line, and if nothing happened, meaning that you have the latest software version. Okay, next step is to place your earbuds to the charging case, close the case, and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level of your earbuds and your charging case will update, and after that time, just open the charging case and check is it fixed. The last option is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to remove your earbuds from the charging case. At the back side, at the top, we have touch areas. We need to press and hold both of these touch areas simultaneously for at least 10 seconds. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. After that, we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. At the left side, we have a button Forget. On your phone, it may be Forget Device or Unpair button. Tap at this button and Forget Device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device button at the top. Not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or click refresh button if you have this button, but I need to tap at the Pair New Device. Okay, after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list, and you need to tap at your earbuds. Then click Pair. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!